Hello everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civilraja, your gateway to future. So guys, as promised, we have already launched our website and over here you can see that I'm just going to share my screen with you and over here there you can see my website. Okay, so on this website you will find job oriented trainings. Like in this training we have already enrolled the course of AutoCAD and now we are going to launch our interior designing course soon. So for that you will have to install our app of Civil Raja. How to do that I will tell that in just a minute, but right now if you are preparing for some government exams like the JE or AE, then you can also get benefited from this website because we have a lot of mock tests available over here. So you have to simply just go ahead do the sign up and then you can just go ahead and look for the mock tests over here and you can easily get benefited. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel of the Civil Raja yet, then please subscribe it and also press the bell icon beside it. Okay, because we are regularly coming up with a lot of videos on this channel related to the study of the plans, the structural design, and also there are few videos on how to prepare for JEE, what are the syllabus for that, and then we also have a few videos on interior designing course using the SketchUp. So everything is available over here. This is going to be a very useful channel for all of you. So you can just go ahead and subscribe that. Okay. And now we will just directly jump to our plan of the day. So this is a furniture layout plan of a 30 feet by 50 feet plot, and we are going to study this in detail. So you can see this is a north facing plan over here, and I'm just going to zoom it a little bit. So this is a ground floor plan, and here is our gate, and this is 7 feet 8 inches wide, which is wide enough to park a four-wheeler over here. And you can see we also have the staircase right starting from here. Okay, so this is going to be starting from here, and this is like kind of a circular staircase because it is starting from here. It will go all the way like this, and then it will end up over here, right? So you can just go ahead and modify such kind of a staircase. The second important thing about this staircase is that this is outside the building. Okay, so first thing is it is a new type of a staircase for you. I haven't studied any such a staircase on this channel yet. Then the next thing is that it is a outside the building. Okay, so if you want to rent up for different floors, then you can go ahead and provide the staircase outside the building. This is a very good arrangement for that. And then you can see just beside this staircase we have the second entrance point to the building, and this will be the entering point or the entrance point for the next floors that you are going to construct above the ground floor. Then for the ground floor there is another main entrance point, and you can see we have a 5 feet 9 inch wide veranda, and through here we will just directly enter to our drawing room. And here we have a sit out area for 3 plus 3 plus 4. That means 10 people can easily sit over here. Here we have a center table, and here we have the TV unit and the telephone unit also. So you can also use the LED TV and place it somewhere on the walls. Okay, and then this is a passage over here, and this is the passage which will take us to the dining room. Okay, so in the dining room, what is the most important thing? First thing is if it is also acting as a living area, which is also uh, available in our case. So this dining room is also acting as a living room, and the living room should be a common point for all the rooms. Okay, so it is a common point for these two master bedrooms over here. Then this is our dining room also, so it is also connected with the kitchen, and then we have a common toilet over here, and a wash basin is also placed over here. Just above the wash basin you can see there is a cross sign. That means it is a open to sky wash basin. And then you can see a bedroom over here which is having the ventilation from this lawn area. Okay, so this is a 7 feet 9 inches wide lawn which is quite spacious, and you can have your evening tea right over here. Okay, so this is very good arrangement over here. Now you can see everything is well placed over here. And if I talk about the bedroom sizes, then it is 14 feet 6 inches by 11 feet on both the sides, and both these bedrooms are the master bedrooms. And then we have a simple bedroom, and for the toilet of or you can say for the usage of the washroom, we have this a common toilet over here which is 4 feet by 7 feet 7 inches. and even the toilets that are attached to the room that are 8 feet by 5 inches. So everything is quite spacious over here, and the room is well arranged over here. So I would like to rate this plan on somewhere on 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so this is a very good arrangement. The only point that I am deducting over here is just because the arrangement of the sofas and the traditional use of the TV unit over here, because nowadays we are using the LED TV, so we should have arranged the sofa in such a manner that we can go for the LED TV, and we can also provide a bookshelf just beside it. Okay, or you can say just below the TV unit. Okay, so this is a very good plan in my opinion. And guys, if you want us to like make a furniture layout of your house, or you can say the whole planning thing, the architectural planning thing, then you can simply give us a call on 8433248864. Our number is also in our on our website, and you can also find that in the description. It's 8433248864. I am engineer Rom, and I can plan your building like that. Also guys, if you want to go for the training, like the if you want to learn the how to like plan a building right from the scratch, then you can simply just join our live classes. So we are providing the online class for that, and you can see we have the personalized WhatsApp group support for you. Then we will also support you in your upcoming projects, and you will also get the class notes over here. And what are the topics that we are going to cover over here? You will learn how to deal with the clients, how to like work with the building components, what should be the size of the room, how to consider the vastu, and how to make the conceptual plan over here. Then we will also introduce you to the AutoCAD, and where we will learn how to draft a plan in AutoCAD. In not just the plan, like there are two types of the plan basically. First one is the like plan layout, okay, which is like this one, and then we have the furniture layout. So you will learn everything like the plan layout and also the furniture layout. Along with that, you will also learn how to like position the columns and make the beam column layout and center line diagram. So everything will be covered over here in this particular course. Okay, again, if you want to learn the uh, AutoCAD drafting only, then you can simply just go ahead and install the application of the AutoCAD, which is sorry, application of Civilraja, which is also available on the Google Play Store, and you can learn the complete AutoCAD in just 999. And this is for a limited period of the time, because we are having a sale of 50% off. Okay, so you can see that we have this AutoCAD course, and we are going through each and every command that are mentioned over here. And even in this, we will learn drafting of each and everything, right from the plan drafting, furniture layout, column positioning, beam column layout, and center line diagram. Everything will be taught over here, but everything will be in the recorded format. However, you will also get the support of WhatsApp group over here also. Okay, so guys, this is a golden chance for you to learn the AutoCAD. You can simply go ahead and install this app, and then you can sign up for the course, and you can simply just uh, like start your learning. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and work on our second plan. So we will analyze the rest of the two plans quickly. So you can see we have a plan over here. So this is the porch area, 14 feet by 14 feet. Then we have a lawn. Then we have the hall, and then there is an entrance point over here. Then we have the this kind of arrangement for the staircase, and we have an open space right over here. Then this is a kitchen which is connected to the storeroom, and we have a like a open to sky area at the back. Then we have the toilet area for this master bedroom, and also this is a dressing area available over here. Then we have a common toilet, and yeah, nothing much to say about it. And I guess I've already studied this plan, so maybe some of the students have copied someone else's work, and he has like resubmitted it. Okay, that's why this happened, because we have already studied that plan. If you want to learn how the detailed study of this plan, then you can watch the previous video. By the end of this video, I will give you the link for that also. Then you can also see, and this is our third plan, and here we have this porch area on the right. Then we have a 3 feet 6 inches wide veranda, and this is the area for the garden, which is quite a spacious over here, and you can have your evening tea in your garden also. Then come over here, you have this drawing room, and which is 10 feet by 8 inches, 10 feet 8 inches by 12 feet. And then we have an open area over here. This is the bedroom right over here, and here is our living cum dining room. And we have the staircase provision right from the here. This is quite a good arrangement for the staircase. We can also have the TV unit just right here. Then you can also see we have this open area over here, and we also have another door which is directly like taking us to this living room. Okay, so this door can be used by the residents of the building, and then we also have a room over here which is also attached to the kitchen and the toilet, so you can just rent out this whole area to someone else. And since this is an open space, so you can also use it for parking and everything. For the residents of the building, we have another kitchen over here, and then there is a common toilet, then there is a master bedroom with the attached toilet over here, and we also have this wash area. So this is quite a good arrangement. And yes, this is something different from the plans that I have studied on my in my previous videos on this channel. Okay, so what is beautiful in this plan? So this is a good arrangement of the space first. Second thing is that we have a room which is also a master bedroom, and the kitchen is also attached over there, so we can just use it. Okay, now the next thing is that it is completely separated from the building, so even if you are working with the ground floor, then you can rent out a little bit of the area of your ground floor right from here. Okay, then the staircase is just inside the building, so your renters do not need to come over here. Or if you are just willing to maintain the privacy, they have the enough open space over here for washing and everything, so they can also use that. The quality is a little bit congested for them, but yeah, this much of this space can be just used to rent it out. Okay, so guys, that was all for today's session. Okay, and if you have any kind of confusion or any suggestion, then you can simply just write that in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments. And guys, if you want to just if you want us, that means the team of the Civilraja, to make the architectural plan or the interior design, then you can simply connect us, and we will just help you out with your planning of the building. And that is all for today, guys. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.